Hey guys, what is going on? I'm back with another video for you guys. That is right. We got another one. We got another dub on the Adidas Confirm app. Even though I feel like a lot of people slept on these. I was getting told that they were even at Dick's Sporting Goods by my boy Brandon. Big shouts out to him. He said that they still had them in stock in 7.5s. So I was like, what? Are people really sleeping on the Adidas V2? Yeezys and Slate? Like, are you kidding me right now? I feel like they're amazing. I love this colorway. And this might be the perfect colorway for me because they have black, so they won't get dirty. And then since they're in that Slate colorway, it's like a creamy, like nice, creamy, brown, whitish, cream colorway. And they don't show any dirt marks whatsoever. And I was like, oh, this is the pair, bro. If I can win these, and everybody's going to be grabbing them, but I was like, wait, nobody's grabbing these boys? What? Oh my gosh. Guys, check it out. I went to Go, and I was checking for retail and everything in regards to pricing. I was like, these are definitely going to go up in value. I'm like, yo, these got to be already at like $300 and something, maybe even more, because I love them so much. And this is my favorite pair. Same with the Butters, like I mentioned. Those two pairs right now are like absolutely bonkers for me. I like absolutely love the Slate colorway. That's how much I love them. And I was like checking on Go. I was like, these gotta be going for more than retail, right? And no, they're just sitting, bro. They're not even going up in amount. I was like, what? Are you kidding me? These are just chilling right now. They're not like $400 or something. Like, personally speaking, I feel like a lot of people that love Yeezys would just go for these, but I guess not. Maybe it's just like too simple of a colorway. And you know, that makes sense. But with the fall coming up, I feel like these Slate Yeezys look so good. And them being V2s, of course, you already know, awesome boost, comfort, and just overall look. You already know what you're looking for with V2s. Got these in the 7.5. They feel just like my other 7.5s. So no worries there. They just feel like my red and black cores and V2s, and I love them. And I wish once again that I did size up, but you know, I'm winning at 7.5, so I'm not taking my chances. Guys, here they are, the Slate colorways in the Yeezy Adidas V2s Slate. Boom, right there. I love them, guys. You already know. Spoiler alert, they're amazing. This colorway is so unique to me, and I think it really hits home for me. It reminds me so much of a pair that my brother has. I'll throw them on screen right now. Bam. He has them, and I was like, bro, those are so sick. And I was never able to get them because they do go more than retail in that colorway. So I was like, darn, what's the closest thing? They dropped these Slates, and I was like, bro, I need to buy them and hit on the Confirm app because I know everybody's gonna be going ham. But like I talked about later, these are kind of just sitting. I don't know why. Maybe people just think the colorway is boring, but for the fall, I think these are outstanding shoes, and they are dirty proof, guys. I already wore them all weekend, jumping around the dirt, walking my dog, going to the mall and everything, and they literally look fantastic, super clean. Even look at the bottoms. I've been wearing them, but you know, everything is looking so good. You already guys know that they come with the boost. We love the boost. V2s, man. You already know what you're getting with the V2s. The amazing Adidas boost. Now we do have that classic black swoosh going across there. I love that. It looks really clean with these, and I personally love them so much with the swoosh. I think it gives them that perfect contrast, because if it didn't have this swoosh in there, I feel like the Slate would just look super boring. Now, a really nice detail, if you guys can see this on the shot right now, you can see that there's black suede that's being shown through the shoe. Really nice touch, super neat when the sun touches it and kind of just shows a different side of the shoe. I think, like, once again, it just takes away from it just being a boring Slate colorway. Laces are matching the upper, of course. We have the classic V2 lacing system with these amazing laces that I touched upon the other day. Absolutely love them. And then obviously the sole looking fantastic as well. Super creamy nice, and they almost match the upper. I would say almost, you know, rubber bottom, so it is what it is, but they almost match. Once again, guys, I went 7.5. They feel true to size, just like my other Yeezys. Of course, like I said, I wish I sized up in these, because if I did, it would be amazing. Now, I do have one gripe with this shoe, and I'll talk about that now. I want to talk about the number one con about these shoes, and it's the first time I've run into them owning V2s. Guys, you know, I own a couple of V2s. I'm not shy about it. I love them. But for these pair in 7.5, I don't know what happened, but it's only my left shoe. Now, before I talk about the cons, just super quick, you know, we already have the insoles, awesome, right there. Super nice, classic insole. This one has the Yeezy with the Adidas logo. And then, of course, on this side, we have Yeezy with the global logo in there. Super cool. Love that touch. But like I mentioned, this is the shoe, the left side, and the left side only. I don't know what it is, but I tried messing around with the insole and like taking it out and putting it back in. But as soon as I put them in, right, and I have them placed exactly where they would usually go, and this is so weird, like it's still unbelievably frustrating. I don't know, it makes me like walk weird in these too, but I feel this weird pressure right in here, right in the shoe. So if it was like mimicking the inside here, it would be right here, and I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's the way this shoe is like constructed. I don't know if it's just my pair, but it's definitely something that's bothering me. It's like right in there on the inner part of like my heel kind of area. So right here, it's so frustrating. I have no idea what it is, but it's kind of making me not want to wear these as often as I wanted to. I wanted to wear these like all day, 24/7, 365, like all the time throughout the year, but I'm not sure if this is going to be a colorway that I'm going to be wearing too often now because of that problem. And so what's happening is I'm getting a lot of pressure around this part of my foot, and it feels like my foot's like kind of like elevated, and like, I don't know, it just doesn't feel stable, and it's like a pressure point, and it's really frustrating, and it's really weird. So I'd love to hear your input. Does this happen in your Slate colorway, or is it just my colorway? Or maybe if I went with a size 8 and just gave them a little bit more room, like it'd feel better. But my other 7.5s that I have in V2s don't have this issue whatsoever, but I'm just kind of left to wonder about that. I'm kind of upset about it. Well, I don't want to ramble too much about these shoes, but just want to let you guys know I flippin' love them. I hope you guys are enjoying the content and are as lucky as I am on the Confirm app right now. I want to pass over some love, some real good luck to anybody who's trying to get these Yeezys, because I know how difficult it can be, and they have to go to retail or after retail just to get them. And like both sides are complicated, because if you hit for retail, then awesome, but likely you're not. And then of course you go and go or whatever it is just to get the other pair, and they're already jumping up in price. Good thing about these that they're not jumping up in price too much, so definitely take advantage of it. I feel like a lot of people slept on these, bro. Let me know down below. Did a lot of people sleep on these pair, or am I just crazy for going with the Slate colorway and just going, whoa, like these are sick, but they're really not? I don't know. Anyway, big shouts out to also my iPhone 13 Pro Max. I'm shooting this video on there right now. So if you guys really enjoyed the content on my iPhone 13 Pro Max, let me know. I just thought I would shoot with like a different camera, different vibes. And yeah, just switch it up. Why not? It's always good to switch it up. But guys, we'll see. Really bummed about that pressure point. Not sure if it's something that's going to go away when I break the shoe in. Maybe it is going to, but I've worn them for like 3 to 4 straight days, and still a single day that I don't think about it. It's still there every single day. So hopefully maybe after wearing them a little bit, they'll break in and feel great. But let me know, is this happening to your pair? Do you think it's just my pair, and should I just like return it and maybe get a replacement? I don't know. Kind of just sucks, because this is definitely the colorway for me. Like, I love them. I love them.